What's up, everybody? Today, I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing. I just received a box from Yellotools. Not sure what's in here. I kind of have an idea just because of the products they've been releasing. So I have an idea, but I'm not sure because I was just asked for my address so they could send me this. So full disclosure, didn't pay for these. Just got sent them from Yellotools. Almost said Sign Tools, but kind of one, but not really. But yeah, I'll link Yellotools website down below. You guys can go check them out for any sign making tools, wrap tools, all that kinds of good stuff. Best tools in the industry that I know of. So let's just figure out what's in here. All right. Unboxing. That is exactly what I thought it was. Look at this, guys. These are scented squeegees. How ridiculous is it? I can smell this already. So this one is creamy cupcake or caramel cupcake. We have bubblegum. This is awesome. Peppermint. And coffee. This is awesome. I also got look at this. They sent me a little letter with one of my posts from Instagram. It says, anyone making flavored squeegees yet? Would you buy it? Look at that, guys. Thank you, Yellotools. Definitely dropping the links down below. Oh, look at this. They even sent some stickers with. To me, this is just funny. The smells that are coming out from this right now are awesome. Actually, okay, I need to open one of these up. It's a hard squeegee. Maybe it's just hard because it's frozen from being out in the cold. Definitely smells like coffee. You can smell it from here. Get it really close. Oh yeah, you put that in your mouth, you're definitely smelling it. I just drilled over. Yeah. Yellotools right there. So we're gonna put that one back. And we got the peppermint. I'm not gonna put all these in my mouth because I might end up giving some of these away. Oh. Yeah, I like peppermint, so that's cool. Guys, this is great. Oh, that is definitely bubblegum. And all these are food grade plastic. Like, it's not gonna harm your body if you're putting these in your mouth. Here's the packaging, you guys can read that. Yeah, this is why Yellotools is awesome. All their squeegees and stuff is all like food grade. It's not made from cheap garbage plastic. These are so cool. I need to get some buffers on these and test them out. These are awesome. Yeah, now we got the stickers. Links will be down in the description below for Yellotools, guys. Go check them out. Grab some of these. Let them know I sent you if you go to check them out. This is just cool. I just make a post asking for flavored squeegees. Obviously these aren't flavored. You taste it, but you smell it. So it's kind of the same thing, but not the same thing. Very cool. Very cool thing by Yellotools there. Go check them out. See you guys in the next video. I'm out.